Hi guys! Oh, so today we got our oh no, the ribbon fell out. Okay, so today is day 22, day 22. So we got our mint chocolate chip baby over here, and so let's put them inside of day 22. And you guys, today we have these blind bags. They're like, oh, I have 5 of them. They're like Kirby cookie keychains, and then they're from Japan. I got them the other day at Barnes and Noble. So let's open them up. So there's 14 to. I got the 1-up one. Yeah. OMG, why is this so hard to open? Why is this so hard to open? What the heck? No. OMG, they look like real cookies. Oh, my goodness. Look at that one. Okay. Our next one is... I'm struggling, guys. Oh, it's this one. I can't read it, but that one. And then it probably means something in Japanese. This one. This one's so cute, guys. OMG. Oh my god, I have a keychain of this one, like the mochi mochi version. And then our last final one, Chick-fil-A. Okay, open it up and let's see. It's King DDD. I like King D. Oh, this one fell out, period. Look, King DDD. Oh. So I got 5 of them. They're all so cute. What the heck? I love how they look like cookies. And if anyone's looking for them, I got them at Barnes & Noble. They're $4 each. Yeah. But thank you guys. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye, guys.